song about the Rosetta Clone. He started as a Rolling Stone, broke up and went out on his own. Rockstar wherever he roams, with the face of the Rosetta Stone. Yes sir, I can sing whenever I wanna sing. If I like that song, well now it belongs to me. And I can fix whatever I wanna fix. Solving problems has offered me my stardom.
Hey, there's a new guy in town. That is till word gets round. He's the chip of the old block, sold out shows whenever he's inbound. Said if you don't know his name, I bet you know his songs. As soon as I sing them once, you too will sing along.
Imagine there's no hieroglyphics.
Imagine.
I'll bet you couldn't if you tried.
I bet you couldn't.
When you read like me, sky's the limit. Haha. Because Demotic and Greek is the reason why.
Me.
Have you ever heard the song?
Yes, you have.
About the Rosetta Clone.
That's me.
He started as a Rolling Stone, broke up and went out on his own.
That's right.
Rockstar wherever he roams.
That's right.
With the face of the Rosetta Stone.
Sing along.
I can do what I wanna do.
Whatever I want to do.
And it's gonna be
a
bold discovery. Yeah. I can solve whatever I wanna solve.
Whatever I want to solve.
I can take my time.
Be patient.
I can give my all.
No, he's never won any awards, but he's number one and adored. Hard like granite on the inside. Some fly high, but he just slides. A true underground story, filled with the guts and the glory. Emotional songs you can feel to. Food for the broken hearted to heal to.
One is the loneliest number you'll ever view. I may look like another stone, but this pebble's just for you. CLONNE.
Yeah.
Find out what it means to me.
Yeah.
The world's greatest impersonator is him and him is me. You're welcome. Have you ever heard the song?
Yes, you have.
About the Rosetta Clone.
That's me.
He started as a Rolling Stone, broke up and went out on his own.
That's right.
Rockstar wherever he roams.
That's right.
With the face of the Rosetta Stone.
Sing along.
Yes sir, I can sing whenever I wanna sing. If I like that song, well now it belongs to me. I can know whatever I want and whatever I want to know. I love curiosity.
I'm so curious.
You know it's the key.
It's the key. Question.
Have you ever heard the song?
Yes, you have.
About the Rosetta Clone.
That's me.
He started as a Rolling Stone, broke up and went out on his own.
That's right.
Rockstar wherever he roams.
That's right.
With the face of the Rosetta Stone.
Sing along.
I can learn whatever I wanna learn.
Whatever I want to
I
learn.
always try to find out why. I can be whatever I'm meant to be. Got a clear view. I can see